Gigabit PoE switch with 65 watts power from Reolink. Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have screws for mounting at the wall. Manuals. Soft pads. You can install at the four corners. The power cord with a cable length 40 centimeter. And of course we have the power adapter with an output 52 volts, 25 amps, 65 watts. Indicator here. And the cable length, total it is 1.25 meters. Plus 40 centimeters, more or less 1.6 meters. Plug in here. Reolink logo, plug and play, it works perfectly with your PoE cameras, transferring both data and electric power through a single Ethernet cable. The DC port, plug in here. We have the extend switch here and the recovery switch on-off. At the bottom you can use these holes and mount it at the wall. It features 4 Gigabit PoE Plus ports and 1 Gigabit Ethernet uplink port. It can deliver up to 30 watts to each PoE port with a total power budget of 65 watts for up to 4 PoE devices. As I mentioned, at the back we have the recovery and extend mode. When extend mode is enabled, then transmission speeds of ports 1 and 2 here are limited to 10 megabits per second, which extend the PoE distance to 250 meters. When the recovery mode is on, it automatically detects and reboots any offline or unresponsive PoE devices, ensuring a stable PoE connection and eliminating the need for manual resets. So at your needs you can switch it off or on. And with the power management, once total consumption extends 65 watts, the switch will power down sequentially from port 4 to port 1 until consumption drops below the threshold. And with the auto detection of adaptive devices, automatically identifies whether a connected device supports PoE and requires power. This ensures that non-PoE devices are not powered, thereby preventing potential damage. And with a 4 kV surge protection effectively blocks sudden voltage spikes, preventing damage to the connected devices. And it is a fanless design that ensures a quiet environment at all time. So let's plug it in. Power is on. We can connect the Ethernet cable here. Perfect. Uplink. I really like how easy it is to set up, how stable the gigabit performance is, and how convenient it is to power multiple devices with a single switch. If you are tired of trying to find a power outlet for every single camera you install, this switch is your solution. It turns a messy web of cables into a single, clean power over Ethernet line for up to 4 devices. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications to receive updates on our reviews of networking equipment, smart security systems from Reolink and tech accessories. You can find links for all these devices at the description below. Thanks for watching, keep your network powered up and connected, and I'll see you next time.